Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to another exciting episode of Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make savvy purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the VIOFO A119 V3 2K dash cam and the Garmin dash cam Mini 2. Get ready for some serious comparisons, hilarious commentary, and of course, some good old entertainment. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about video quality because that's what a dash cam is all about, right? The VIOFO A119 V3 boasts a stunning 2K resolution at 60 frames per second.
That means you'll be capturing every single detail, even in low-light conditions.
Say goodbye to blurry license plates. On the other hand, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 records in 1080p with their Clarity HDR optics. It's no slouch either, providing crisp and clear footage day and night. But hey, if you're a stickler for the highest resolution, the VIOFO A119 V3 takes the win here.
Now let's talk about parking mode. Both of these dash cams offer some nifty features to keep your vehicle safe when you're not around.
The VIOFO A119 V3 comes with 3 parking mode options: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording.
It's like having a personal security guard for your car. Just make sure you grab the HK3 ACC hardwire cable for the full experience.
On the other hand, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 has its own parking guard feature, which monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts you if anything suspicious happens.
It's like having a miniature James Bond in your car. Both options are impressive, but the VIOFO A119 V3 wins this round for its customizable parking modes. Alright, let's talk about some cool additional features that these dash cams bring to the table. The VIOFO A119 V3 comes equipped with a GPS module, allowing you to record real-time speed, time, and GPS route in your videos.
It's like having your own personal travel log. Plus, the Sony Star VIS 5 megapixels image sensor ensures crystal clear footage even at night.
On the other side, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 offers voice control, so you can save videos, take pictures, and more with just a few spoken commands. It's like having a digital assistant right in your car.
Both of these features are awesome, but if you're a fan of geotagging and superior night vision, the VIOFO A119 V3 takes the cake. Alright folks, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price.
The VIOFO A119 V3 comes in at an affordable $109, which is a steal considering its features and video quality.
Plus, it even supports up to a whopping 256 gigabytes SD card. On the other hand, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is priced slightly higher at $129. It's a bit of a splurge, but hey, you do get that sleek car key-sized design.
If you're on a tight budget, the VIOFO A119 V3 wins this round. But if you're willing to spend a little extra for that compact form factor, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 might be your choice. Based on online reviews, the VIOFO A119 V3 2K Dashcam is highly praised for its high-quality video, customizable parking modes, geotagging feature, and affordable price.
Reviewers also appreciate the exceptional customer service provided by VIOFO. On the other hand, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 receives positive feedback for its crisp video quality, parking guard feature, voice control, and compact design.
However, there are some concerns about glare at night and difficulties with wireless Apple CarPlay. Overall, both dashcams have their own unique strengths, and it ultimately comes down to personal preference and budget. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the VIOFO A119 V3 2K Dashcam and the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 in all their glory.
Both of these dash cams have their own unique strengths. Whether it's the exceptional video quality of the VIOFO A119 V3 or the compact design and voice control of the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2.
Ultimately, the choice is yours, depending on your priorities and budget. Remember, smart shoppers always do your research before making a purchase.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.